Everybody loves pizza, but let's take it up a notch with bacon saltiness, jalapeno heat, cream cheese richness. Enter jalapeno popper pizza. To start our yeast, we're going to add a tablespoon of Red Star yeast to a cup and a half of warm water, then add a tablespoon of white sugar, then mix it up and set aside. As for flour, we're going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and we're going to add a tablespoon of salt. And then we're going to give that a mix with our mixer before we add our wet ingredients. Next, we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to our flour. After that, we're going to add our yeast mixture and give it a good stir.
Yeah, you can. Get a little bit more.
Next, we're going to form a tight ball with our dough, and we're going to place it inside of a container, put some saran wrap on top, and set it aside for at least an hour or until it doubles in size. Next, we're going to cut up half a package to a full package of bacon into 1-inch pieces, and we're going to fry those bacon pieces until they are crispy. Next, we're going to chop up 4 to 5 jalapenos into slices. Probably want to remove the seeds as we did, and then take half of a big onion and chop it into small pieces. Next, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our bacon grease, heat it up, and then we're going to add our chopped onion into that mixture until the onion gets translucent. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Next, we add a 1/3 cup of sour cream, and then we add 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we go ahead and get that melted down and smooth and creamy. Next, we add our seasoning, and if you want the full ingredients, all the seasonings listed, they're down below in the description. Next, we're going to take our dough, now that it's doubled in size, and we're going to work it just a bit more to get the big air bubbles out. Then we're going to split it into 4 equal pieces, as this dough recipe will make 4 12 to 14-inch pizzas. Next, preheat your oven to as high as it will go. Ours goes to 550 degrees, so that's where it's going to go. And we're going to put in a pizza stone. Since we have a little portable pizza oven, we're going to heat that up because we're going to cook some in there too, just so you can see the difference of a oven versus a pizza. We're going to add some cornmeal to our pizza peel. This will help the dough slide on and off, and it works really good. Next, after I plopped my gassy dough down, I'm going to mash it down a little bit. And yes, I'm going to use a roller, so haters, hate down in the comments. But don't tell me rollers take all the gas out after you see these pizzas cooked.
Good. Mm-hmm.
Next, we're going to place our cheese mixture on our dough, and we're going to spread it out. Following that is going to be our cheeses, our jalapenos, and our bacon.
10 pieces.
Yeah.
Bye bye little.
Take a couple stills too. Ready?
Yep.
All right, here is jalapeno popper pizza, crispy crust. Really good. We're gonna give it a try. Ooh, that crust is crispy. It has amazing flavor, and it's got a little bit of heat.
Oh.
The bacon is bacon, so it's salty, savory, and amazing. Then we put some dollops of cream cheese on. And that's just rich and delicious. Thanks for watching.